Review hub. Brand name, ABIR. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. Number of operating modes, 1 to 2. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, L 0.6 to 1L. Filter type, Cyclone. Battery life, 40 minutes. LCD, yes. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M wireless. Special suction nozzle, cleaning brush. Dust storage type, dust cup. Installation, vertical/handheld. Certification, CB, C, ROHS. Voltage, V110V, 240V. Power, W500W. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Max suction, 27,000 PA. Ultra big touch screen, yes. Smart dust detection, yes. Auto speed control, yes. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.